Hi everyone, my name is Brandon and welcome to Optima, the official home of the Optima APOS Series line of products, including POS accessories such as barcode scanners, printers, Windows PC POS terminals, and more. So you want to fully customize your Optima APOS unit using the PCProg software on your laptop or your desktop computer, but you don't have the program installed as of yet. So you're probably watching this video to learn where you can download this software and how to install it. PCProg is a Windows-based software which requires Windows 10 or later. So if your computer meets those requirements and you're ready to go, don't go anywhere because I'm going to show you how to do all that right after this. Okay, welcome back. Now I'm going to show you where to download the PCProg software and then how to properly install it. First, we need to download the PCProg software. So on your computer or laptop, open your browser and visit Optima's official website here at www.optimagopos.ca. Then at the top here on the main menu, select Dealer Login right over here and enter your login credentials. If you have an account set up on the dealer portal but forgot your password, just select Forgot right over here and enter your email and select the reset link. From there, you'll receive an email where you can now make a brand new password. If you haven't received your login credentials for the dealer portal yet, just email members@optimagopos.ca and someone will contact you back with that information. Now I'm just going to enter my email address and then my password, and then press login here. Now that we've entered the dealer portal, scroll down to where it says Optima PCProg. And then underneath that, you'll see PCProg Installer Latest Release. Now, under that, select the download button. Now on this page, if you hover your mouse over the word Latest Release, you'll see a radio button appear on the left-hand side. Select the radio button and then above that, select Download. Now depending on which browser you're using or what settings you have, it may just automatically start downloading to your Downloads folder. But if not, a Windows pop-up will appear, as you can see here, asking you where you'd like to save the file. Let's save it to our desktop. Okay, download is complete. We can now close the browser window. Then right mouse click over the zip file and select Extract All. Select Browse. Then select Desktop on the left side pane. Select New Folder. And let's call it PCProg. Then press Select Folder button at the bottom here. Select Extract. Now open the PCProg folder and open the folder titled Latest Release. Then open the folder titled PCProg Installer with the version number. Then double-click the file titled PCProg Installer with extension called MSIX Bundle. You'll see a pop-up with a question that says Install PCProg. Uncheck the blue checkbox that says Launch when ready. The reason why you don't want to launch PCProg after install is because we still need to install Crystal Report software afterwards. Crystal Report software is included in the same zip file that we already downloaded. So now, let's select the blue button which says Install. At the end of installation, you'll see another pop-up window that says PCProg is ready. Do not press Launch as we still need to install Crystal Reports. You can close this window. Crystal Report software works with PCProg and is designed to provide additional features like printing your reports, exporting them to files, whether it be PDF, spreadsheet, or Word document files. You must install Crystal Reports, otherwise PCProg will crash when using specific features that require the Crystal Reports software. To install Crystal Reports, double-click on the file titled CR with a bunch of numbers .msi. The extension .msi stands for Microsoft Installer File. This program is located in the same folder titled PCProg Installer. Okay, let's double-click on the file here. Select Next. Then select I accept the license agreement and select Next again. And then we'll select Next one more time to start installation. Okay, installation is complete, so now you can select Finish. You can now open the PCProg software to start customizing your APOS unit from your PC or laptop. Why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified as soon as we upload any new videos. Also, if you want to learn more about the Optima APOS Series line of products or need any POS accessories such as barcode scanners, printers, Windows PC POS terminals, and more, visit www.optimagopos.ca. Again, that's www.optimagopos.ca. I'm Brandon from Optima, and I'll see you again.